Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. In this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels and price action structures that currently gold is following, so that we can utilize those price action levels and those price action structure for finding buy and sell opportunities for next week. So we will start with the daily time frame first, and on daily time frame it is clear that gold is currently reversing from the support area, and those who are following me in my YouTube channel and those who are following me in Telegram channel also, they knows that I clearly mentioned in previous week analysis video that every dip is a buying opportunity. Let me show you the screenshot and let me remind you, this is the previous week analysis video, and listen what I told you. Yes, I told you to buy on every dip, and every dip was a buying opportunity in previous week. In Telegram channel also, I on daily basis I updated that we have to buy on every dip. And those who are following me in TradingView profile, they knows that this is the message, this is the update on October 9th. October 9th was here on Wednesday when the price was moving into the downside. On that day I updated that gold buy the dip is now on, and gold followed my analysis very precisely. On Thursday also I updated that buying is a good idea, and on Friday also I updated this this message on TradingView, and as you can see, during the update it was around 2639, and if I forward this like this, you can see it followed the analysis perfectly. So overall the market is still looking strong on gold, and what are the levels that we have to consider? So let's discuss that. So on daily time frame, you can see, if we check the price action formation and the volume profile, you can see right over here that the price is currently closed at a high volume node area, this around here 2657, and into the lower side we also have a support area node, or you can say high volume support. It is around 2650, and into the lower side you can see this trend line is acting as support. You can see this is the dynamic trend line, and or you can say dynamic support area. So price perfectly reacted near to this area, and on this trend line price took support near to 2600 and reversed from 2604. So into the lower side, the level on volume profile, that is 2650, is a good support now, and of course the major support is this trend line. So on daily time frame, the candle is a good bullish candle if we talk in terms of the price action, and it is confirming that we can expect the continuation into the higher side. So yes, if we talk in terms of the daily time frame, we have to keep buying, and we have to wait for a little pullback like this, and then we can target this high around 2685. Yes, this is the level, this is the target for this buying rally. So on daily time frame the price is clearly showing the bullish continuation. Also, if we check the pivot placement and the CPR placement for next week, so on pivots, if you remember the previous week analysis, I clearly mentioned in that video that we have to buy and we have to keep buying for every dip, and I told you that the weekly support is at this level around this was the level around 2628 and the lower level was around 2602. Yes, so after testing the level of support, this was the weekly support, the price moved down like this, and it did not tested this level because the price was already trading below to support area, and it consolidated inside the range like this. And then after the range breakout, gold faced resistance over to this level around, again this level was around 2626. Yes, this level, this was the level, and it was around 2626. So this is the support now, because price break out this area and now trading above to this level. After this we have seen a little you can say pullback from here, because this level is a resistance, was a resistance on 4-hour time frame. If we draw the Fibonacci levels, let me show you 4-hour time frame. This right over here, this is the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, the price faced resistance over to this area, because this is the Fibonacci resistance zone for this cycle to this cycle, and this was the Fibonacci golden zone from 2644 to 2645. Roughly we can say the area was around 2645 to 2655. But on intraday time frame also, as you can see, the price break out this resistance zone with a good bullish candle, you can see, and now the next candle is also closed above to this resistance area, and price can move like this into the higher side. So yes, on intraday or on 4-hour time frame also, the price is clearly showing the bullish sign, and on a little pullback we can again enter into buy side, and our target will be around 268085 area, because this was the level of resistance. So yes, on daily and on intraday time frame also, we have to look for the buy opportunities. And if we discuss the pivot placement, you can see what are the levels that we have to watch on pivots. So as you can see, the price is closed above to next day CPR. This is the CPR that we have to watch on Monday. On price action, price can test this level like this or this pivot like this, and on confirmation we can look for buying opportunities. This is the first weekly resistance that we have to watch, is at 2677, and then next resistance on weekly pivot is around psychological level 2700. Into lower side, the pivot, this is the pivot, weekly pivot 2641, near to this area is our major support into lower side. So yes, on intraday, like on 1 hour and 4 hour, if price stays above to this level from here or from here, we have to look for the buying opportunities only. So yes, we are expecting the continuation of price from the current closing price. And if you remember the analysis of dollar chart in previous week analysis video, this is the screenshot. You can see that I marked down the resistance zone on DXY, that is dollar chart, and you can see I mentioned that the price can move like this around 103. This was 103, and then price can trade like this or move like this. So dollar chart is also following that analysis very perfectly. As you can see, if we zoom in on daily chart, and if we draw the Fibonacci levels for dollar from this high to this low, you can see the price is currently facing resistance to this golden Fibonacci price zone. Price is currently, as you can see, this is the daily candle. So as you can see, the candle perfectly faced resistance on this area 103.17, and next day candle is closing below to this level, and we can expect a continuation into the lower side, which is going to be good for gold bulls, and we have to watch how price going to behave in next week. So overall, on to lower time frame and on intraday time frame also, the price is in bullish favor right now. Also, if we check the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report for this week, you can see this week the money manager or the managed money, they decreased, you can see here, they decreased their long position by a big number, that is they decreased their long positions by 20271, this right over here. So this means they covering their long positions, and we already seen the impact on the chart because the price make a good move from to 2604. Yes, we have seen a rally from 2004 to 2657. So this was a good bullish move, and I think this is also the reason of this rally, because this was a good long covering in previous week. Also they added few numbers into the short, but as you can see the long covering was big, and we already seen the impact, and we can expect the continuation into the bullish side as per the COT report. Yes, so on higher time frame like on daily and on intraday and as per the COT, all are indicating a bullish continuation from the current closing. So these are the different charts and the COT report that we have to take care for next week. Also, what are the data that we have to watch for next week? Let's check that. So for next week, if we check the data from here, from Monday, Friday, and for dollar, so on Monday we do not have any major data. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yes, on Thursday we have some major data, like over here you can see core retail sales, initial jobless claims, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index is on Thursday. On Thursday also we have retail sales data. So these are the important data that we have to watch in next week. We are going to discuss more about these data and the levels in Telegram channel. So see you there. Yes, overall view is still bullish, and we have to wait for test near to this resistance area, and then we can look for, I think, sell opportunity for short period, because there is no indication of any you can say deeper correction right now, and we have to wait for next week how price going to behave. So we will discuss more about these levels in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.